Alright, look. This is what we shooting. You see it? Hold up and down, show the whole gun. You see the gun? This is what we're going to be shooting today, ladies and gentlemen.
Marlin 30-30.
Marlin
30.
This is a Marlin 30-30 rifle. It's capable to blow a watermelon up, and to you fools out there, this is able to blow your head off too. Like real talk. Like don't run up on me, cause if you do, I might just, if you run, I'm gonna get you. Okay. Have a nice day. Now this is what we doing, and you're gonna see more later on. Okay. All right, this is Nikki. She about to go ahead and let off one. Tell me what you about to do here. What you gonna hit?
I'm gonna go for the 25-yard. I mean, I can work my way down.
Okay.
I'm gonna check out that can. There it is.
All right. So she gonna start with the little one first. Let's see how it sounds, y'all. So y'all, all right. Oh. Damn. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Okay, y'all. Go for another one.
You gotta eject that. Did you even hit the target?
Yep.
Do you think you did? You don't know if you did.
That's it.
Woo! Should put that safety on.
Oh shit. Put it on?
Yeah. Probably won't let you until you eject the shell. Now put it on.
Gotta turn around, look. Yeah, I like that. I'm gonna get used to the popping. I'm ready. You go ahead. This is the second shot I did. I hit right there. Let me zoom in. That second shot. Okay. Now I will honest you, that is pretty loud, and it ain't a strong kickback, but the noise bothered me. So if you want to see my first shot I did, check it out. Okay. Mackenzie gonna show you. That's the first shot. Booyah. Somebody running, that's a target. But maybe next time when you see me. Alright, I'm out. I had a good time. I told this my second home. I love it here, and I will be here soon. So I'm gonna say goodbye to St. Louis. We're having a big party. We're gonna blow it out, and I'm out.